ಅಯ್ಯೋ ರೂಟ್ ಬಿಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿತ್ತು, ನಾನು ಚೂರು ಹೇಳಿದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇದೇನೆಂದರೆ ನೋಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಶತಾವರಿ ಟೈಪ್ ಮುಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ, ಆದರೆ ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಶೇಪ್ ಟಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್. ಬಟ್ ಫರ್ನ್, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ನೈಸ್ ವೆರೈಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಫರ್ನ್. I think in northeast of India I have seen some videos and all, people have grown this in pots, but I myself never succeeded. And it spreads by the, like here you can see, their roots are found. So the original mother root is here, tap root or whatever is there. There, and then from there it spreads sideways, and then there is one rooting has happened here, then second one is here, third one is here, fourth one is here, like that it goes sideways. And it likes vertical surfaces. Usually in moist road cuttings where at least a couple of hours sunlight is there, it occurs, and it's a very beautiful pond. Very nice pond. And then this one is probably, and also you can see it's a very harsh surface. There's moss on the ground, so that means, like here you can see moss, that means moist place. So it likes moist places with some sunlight, and then it spreads from nodes, and also it grows on vertical surfaces. I'll show few of its babies, quite a few there. One is occurring there. There is one. Oh, lots of babies are there. That's one. Then there is one more here also, newborn. And then one more here, 1, 2. So it spreads like that. And then they help to regreen this kind of place. There's one more plant there. Then one more there. So it is occupying. I think in a couple of years it will cover this road cutting very nicely. I had done this plant earlier, but once again some 100 of the babies are there throughout the wall. That means one big mother may be there somewhere in the vicinity. There's one here also, very small baby.